Here I have 300 grams of chicken breast cut into pieces, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice, sifted half a teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of black pepper. Now just mix it well so that all the seasoning really gets into our chicken. And let's set it aside. Prepare our sauce with half a teaspoon of powdered ginger, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 50 ml of fresh orange juice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix until the cornstarch dissolves. Let's set it aside. Prepare our dough with 50 grams of wheat flour, 40 grams of cornstarch, and half a teaspoon of salt. And now add water little by little until it reaches the right consistency, which I'll show you. What consistency is that? It can't be too soft or too hard. It's still hard. That's the point it needs to reach. Put all our chicken into the dough. Mix. And we're going to fry it now, medium to low heat. Let's start frying. We'll fry it until golden. When it gets to this point, we can take it out. Now our sauce. Cook on medium-low heat until thickened. It has already started to thicken. Here, it has reached this point. Let it cook for 20 more seconds and turn it off, always stirring. And now add all our chicken. Mix it so that all the sauce covers all our chicken. And it's a dish that, besides looking beautiful, is very tasty. Now just put it on a plate and serve it well. Hurry up and make this dish because it's really worth it.